I'm Brian from Eastern Performance Cycles, and today I'll be showing you the new SONY 7000 double DIN touchscreen radio kits. These complete kits will come plug and play for your bike's year and application. Today we'll be looking at a 2014 to 2021 radio kit. Let's take a look inside and see what it comes with. First thing you'll notice is it'll come with your remote control. You'll have your SONY warranty card. You'll have your SONY manual, your new install kit with instructions, your bubble wrapped radio. This radio kit will have the mounting brackets already installed on the sides and in the front. You also have the plug and play adapter on the back of it to go right into your OEM harness. Also included in the kit is going to be your radio modules, your microphone, your antenna adapter, and then your USB cable for connecting other devices to your unit. Now that you've seen what's inside the kit, let's see what it looks like installed on the motorcycle. Volume up, volume down, seek, change stations, sources, back to your tuner, presets,